Hey there, do you want to learn about perfect tense? If you do, let's study perfect tense with
At Chaos Academy, time was taught as a subject, measured, memorized, tested. No one warned them that time remembers mistakes, and when it breaks, it doesn't ask for permission. Luther, strength enhanced beyond normal limits. Diego, he can control the trajectory of moving objects.
I heard a rumor that you will be calm again.
Allison, her words can change reality.
Then
Klaus, he can communicate with the dead and sees what others avoid, even when he wishes he didn't. And only him can see Ben. He sees Ben.
Nobody's business but the Turks.
5. He can travel through time and space.
Istanbul.
Before the chaos, there is absence. They had 7 names, but only 6 remain. Some scars in the city. They just learn to stay quiet. Only Klaus can see him as a spirit.
Istanbul was Constantinople. Now it's Istanbul, not Constantinople. Been a long
Fanya, she believes she has no power.
time.
At Chaos Academy, time is something you learn about. Until one day, it decides to fight back.
What? You've been touching the clock since this morning.
I'm improving it. Nothing good ever start with that sentence. Did the wind just stop?
That sound, it repeated.
5?
I have been miscalculated.
The mistake had happened before any of you noticed it.
Well, mistakes are not dangerous, but ignore the miss.
Okay, this is officially not a normal school day.
What has been done in the past is now shaping the present.
I feel late, but I don't know for what.
The cat means we're still here. That matters.
Emotionally, I haven't been ready for time distorting. We are breaking time and you are teaching grammar?
My phone says 9:12.
Mine says 9:06. Time is synchronized. So we broke the time? Again?
When time breaks, logic is usually the first to go.
Really? Music? While time is literally breaking? I have waited for this moment. This is still the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
I don't think this is helping.
This is not the plan.
A temporal, emotional feedback.
Enough! This anomaly has not stopped.
When the present collapses, the past becomes the only exit.
We're going back. 5 minutes. Before 5 o'clock. What if? Facing it. That's us. Because most of the time I am not a timer. This is literally about time.
If we don't stop this now, the future won't forgive us. Since the mistake had already happened, you must understand.
Not all mistakes deserve a second change, but some
This is
Man.
before everything went wrong.
At this point, the mistake had not occurred.
If we change this,
The future will change with it.
when time stops, understanding becomes urgent.
Present perfect. Use when the past still affect the present. Example, everything has changed since 5 starts the clock. Present perfect tense formula. For positive form, negative form, question form, we use have with, are you, they, we, has hit, she, he, it. Example, I have finished my homework. She has visited Bali. They have lived here for 3 years. Future perfect. Use for action that will have been complete. Example, the world will have ended if we do nothing. Future perfect tense formula. Positive form, negative form, question form. Example, I will have finished my homework by 8 p.m. I will have graduated by next year. They will have completed the project before Monday.
Past perfect used for an action that had happened before another action in the past. The formula is subject plus had plus verb 3. And the example is 5 had damaged the timeline before we realized it.
Understanding time means choosing restraint.
I have learned one thing today.
And that is?
Be a genius doesn't mean you're allowed to be careless.
A wise conclusion.
But before declaring the timeline safe, one final check is required.
Before we conclude, we must ensure the timeline is truly stable.
No pressure.
One, present perfect tense is used to describe A. Action that happened at a specific time in the past. B. Action connected to the present. C. Future plans. D. Daily routines. E. Action happening right now. 2. The correct formula of present perfect tense is A. Subject plus had plus verb 3. B. Subject plus will have plus verb 3. C. Subject plus have or has plus verb 3. D. Subject plus verb 2. E. Subject plus is or am or are plus verb ing.
Three blank 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 you ever blank 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 to Japan. A. Do been. B. Did gone. C. Have been. D. Has been. A. Are being.
4. Past perfect tense is used to describe A. An action that happened after another action in the past. B. An action that happened before another action in the past. C. An action happening now. D. A future action. E. A daily activity. The student blank 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 did homework yet. A. Haven't finished. B. hasn't finished, C. Don't finish, D. Didn't finish, and E. Not finish. My father blank blank just blank blank from work. A. Has arrived. B. Have arrived. C. Has arrived. D. Is arriving. E. Does arrive. 7. How long blank blank they blank blank each other? A. Do know. B. Did know. C. Have known. D. Has known. E. Are known. C. Blank 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 never blank 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 a horse before. A. Has ridden. B. Have rode. C. Have ride. D. Have ridden. E. Is riding.
The blank 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 of 5 this parent continues his nurse. A. Traveled. B. Traveled. C. Has traveled. D. Have traveled. C. Are traveling.
Dina cannot find her notebook. She is worried because she needs this now. Which sentence best explain the situation? A. Dina lost her notebook yesterday. B. Dina has lost her notebook. C. Dina was losing her notebook. D. Dina loses her notebook every day. Or E. Dina had lost her notebook before class.
11. I blank 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 my breakfast, so I'm not hungry now. A. Have had. B. Has had. C. Had. D. Have. E. Am having.
12. The main difference between present perfect and past perfect is A. Present perfect use had. B. Past perfect connect past and present. C. Present perfect use will have. D. Past perfect show an earlier past action. And E. They have the same meaning.
13. A common time expression used in present perfect tense is A. Yesterday. B. Last year. C. Already. D. Tomorrow. E. Ago. 14. Someone blank blank my laptop. It was on the desk a minute ago. A. Steal. B. Stole. C. Has stolen. D. Have stolen. E. Is stealing. 15. Future perfect tense is used to describe A. An action that will be complete before a certain time in the future. B. An action happening now. C. A repeat past action. D. A past habit. E. A general fact.
16. My brother blank blank his room. It looks very clean now. A. Cleans. B. Clean. C. Has clean. D. Have clean. E. Is cleaning.
17. The correct formula of past perfect tense is A. Subject plus have or has plus verb 3. B. Subject plus had plus verb 3. C. Subject plus will plus verb 1. D. Subject plus verb 2. E. Subject plus did plus verb 1.
18. In the sentence, they will have arrived by 7 p.m. The tense used is A. Present perfect. B. Future perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Simple future. E. Present continuous.
Blank blank see blank blank the invitation yet? A. Has received. B. Have received. C. Does receive. D. Did receive. E. Is receiving.
Which sentence is grammatically correct and logically appropriate? A. I have finished my homework 2 hours ago. B. I finished my homework already. C. I have finished my homework already. D. I have finished my homework already. And E. I finishing my homework already.
The rain blank. Let's go out now. A. Stop. B. Stopped. C. Has stopped. D. Have stopped. E. Is stopping.
In the sentence, she had finished her homework before she went out. The tense used is A. Present perfect. B. Simple past. C. Past perfect. D. Future perfect. And E. Present continuous.
My sister blank blank the piano since she was 5. A. Plays. B. Played. C. Has played. D. Have played. E. Is playing.
Who blank 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 my coffee? The cup is empty. A. Drink. B. Drunk. C. Has drunk. D. Have drunk. And E. Is drinking.
25. They blank two decision yet. A. Don't make. B. Didn't make. C. Haven't made. D. Hasn't made. E. Not made. 26. I blank the car so it's sparkling clean. A. Wash. B. Washed. C. Have washed. D. Has washed. E. Am washing.
The correct formula of future perfect tense is A. Subject plus had plus verb 3. B. Subject plus will plus verb 1. C. Subject plus have has plus verb 3. D. Subject will have plus verb 3. And A. Subject plus verb 2.
C. Blank 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 a new job in Jakarta. A. Find. B. Found. C. Has found. D. Have found. E. Is finding.
29. We blank 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 to the museum recently. A. Go. B. Went. C. Have been. D. Has been. E. Are going.
30. When Sarah arrived at the cinema, the movie had already started. Which statement below is true based on the sentence? A. Sarah arrived before the movie started. B. The movie started after Sarah arrived. C. The movie started before Sarah arrived. D. Sarah and the movie started at the same time. E. Sarah started the movie.
All answer is correct. The timeline is shallow.
So we save time with grammar.
Yes! That is called learning.
Not today.
At Chaos Academy, they didn't just fix time, they learned from it.
berbagi. Dengan kotak sejuta mimpi, aku datang menghampirimu. Perlihat semua hartaku. Kita selalu berpendapat kita ini yang terhebat. Kesombongan di masa muda yang indah. Aku raja, kau pun raja. Aku hitam, kau pun hitam. Arti teman lebih dari sekedar materi. Pegang pundakku, jangan pernah lepaskan. Bila ku mulai lelah, lelah dan tak bersinar. Lemah sayapku, jangan pernah lepaskan. Bila ku ingin terbang, terbang meninggalkanmu. Aku selalu membanggakanmu, kau pun selalu menyanjungku. Aku dan kamu darah abadi. Demi bermain bersama, kita duakan segalanya. Merdeka kita, kita merdeka. Pegang pundakku, jangan pernah lepaskan. Bila ku mulai lelah, lelah dan tak bersinar. Lemah sayapku, jangan pernah lepaskan. Bila ku ingin terbang, terbang meninggalkanmu. Tak pernah kita pikirkan ujung perjalanan ini. Tak usah kita pikirkan ujung perjalanan ini. Dan tak usah kita pikirkan ujung Kalian saling canda tawa, kalian benci besok.
Sungguh indahnya masa SMA, meski tak ada yang abadi, tapi kamu kan selalu di hati. Kemanapun dua kaki ini melangkah nanti, ku ingin kau mengerti. Bagiku kau teman sejati.
Kalian saling canda tawa, kalian benci besok.
Sungguh indahnya masa